Hello, welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we are going to make a tutorial on the best return and exchange app on Shopify. So first of all, let's see how it works. If you have an orders, if your customers gives you order on your stores and they want to return the product by any reason, like if it is faulty or poor condition or they received it too late and they want to return it, you know, in most cases we got refunds and we got chargebacks on our stores. So how this thing works, let's say we have order on our store, and here how parcel returns works. Here is a return method available. We have created a button on our store with the app. We will later go to app and see what options are available there, but here we will see it's working first. You know that this is a very messy process for customers, those who want to return your products, for their products they received, and sometimes they do emails and a lengthy process conversation and usually ends with refunds and chargebacks. So in this case, you see we have an order here. We'll see how return works for customers, so they can it can increase the chance of the reconciliation, like they won't cancel it, and they will get an exchange in terms of refund, and they can get another conversion in order to return the product, and everything got smoothly. So here we'll do how the customers can return. Here you see there is also option of view the full return policy available for the customers. If they click on it, you see return and exchange policy, starting online return. It's easy. These things like you have to enter your address, everything, like 30 days return policy, whatever you want. You can also edit it into 60 days or 90 days, depending on your business, on your items. What items are exceptions or non-refundable. You can also categorize it, discounted code, gift cards, and other things. Refund solution, refund to original payment method, refund to store gift card, refund to your store discount. How soon will I get my refund? So after the refund process, in 1 to 3 business days, people can get their refund. So after this, a customer, a client will go to this and he will start the return process easily, like select your return, and then he or she has to start the return and select the item, returnable item, and then you have to select the quantity and the reason for return, like arrived too late, and we will select this one, parcel damage on arrival. So basically you can also, as a client, as a customers can write their description if they want the whole scenario of refunding, or if they want to return the product, and they can also provide a proof of their product, their damaged parcel, or anything happened with them here, and then they click next. And then these are the payment method, original payment method, the return solution, like they want into the original payment method, they want to ship with, and then they want to return method, like ship with a return label provided by the merchant, or ship on your own. If the payment method provided by the merchant is available, return method, then they can return it, like here. And then you see they will, like after doing all these things, simple clicks, and then they can click submit. You see, okay, they clicked on the submit and all the information available. The your return request is in process, pending merchant review. You see, this is how it looks like on the customer's end, the customer who placed the order. And then in the back end, you see we have the app available, ParcelPanel Returns. You can also, by the way, download this app and you will get 30% discount after downloading it from the link available in the description on your first subscription. How it looks like, you can simply install it and set up it up. You can just return management. In the return management, you see now we got the one request we just fulfilled here, this one, and we can do the actions on it, like here We can just open it up. In the parcel panel admin section, you can see the reason. You can reject it, you can approve it, or okay, you see, if you approve it, it will be like this: sent to original payment method, shipped with the return label provided by the merchant. Just simply approve it, and then you can provide them with the label, return label, what they have to do, and the tracking, right? And you can also select here ship on your own, green returns pickup, or let's see we do this one, and add an, we will give the tracking number. Just this is just a sample tracking just to understand, and the carrier we select it. Okay, and then here we are not adding it because we don't have created. Okay, we have attached the return label here, and then after this you can simply click on approve. Okay, operation successful, and then you can also refund it uh, by clicking this, and here refund to original payment method, and then you can simply send email notification to your customers and the refunds. How returns, how this is how returns works, right, with parcel panel returns. And on the customer side, you see, if we refresh it, if we view it, your return request is approved, shipped with the shipped with the return label provided by the merchant, and then you can simply download return label provided by the merchant. We just upload it on the backend side, on the merchant side, and then you have the instructions, download and print. All these things are available by the Parcel Panel Returns app, and customer will download it and they can simply ship it with the carrier available, with the tracking available. And then here you see we have this option, we have return page option. You simply have to do, you have to just in the, you can customize it by clicking on customize, and you can customize the return page just like here you see this one, this page, and you can simply customize it. And like here you can change these options, order number or item number or order number, right, email or phone. And this is how you can customize this page, and this is the link available. What you have to do, you have to simply look here. We have already added this in here in the top menus, but here you can simply go to content. After going to content, go to menus, and in the menus you can simply add the link. We just paste it from here. You can simply add a new menu and paste the link like this here, and then do this. And once this done, the return option is available on the store. And after this we have also other options available in the app: free return service, return management. In the return management you see this is how orders will show, and on the return page you see this is the return page. You can get the URL and you can copy paste the URL in your store available, and then customize return page URL. You can also add this uh, customize return URL page, like you can customize this link instead of this link, right? You can simply use return like this and your link will be customized. And other options are available: publish return page language. You can try language will free, right? You can add admin preferred language. You can add return request widget to order status page. You can add this widget in the order status page, like if you have a page available with track your order or where is your order, then you can simply add this widget in the order status page by clicking here. You see like this is how order status page, return in progress, and to say, look, we have our order, our return in process is showing here. Your return was approved. We emailed you a return shipping label, or you will receive one soon. And then this is how all things works. Okay, and then we have return setting. In the return settings, we have return solutions. You can simply uh, manage it from here. And then we have refund to renal payment method. You can also select other captions here, enable it or disable it, right? You have exchange for different items. You can enable it, and people can simply, instead of refund, they can exchange it, right? Exchange of different items. This is a huge benefit for those who want to change the item instead of getting refund. You can simply increase your conversions like this. And then we have variant exchange available here. If the color is not good or the variant, and there is a variant available with the size, shape, color, then you can simply choose this option also. And then in the shipping setting, there is a option available: return setting, shipping center, return shipping methods. Return shipping methods: ship with the return label provided by the merchant. This is, you see, we already saw it on the front side of this return page of parcel panel returns. These options will be automatically available to the customer on the store, right? And then you can also mandate ship on your own. You can also use other captions if you want, but this is all perfect. Return rules: we have the return rule, order fulfillment, blog setting. What is blog? You can see it here. You see, if you go to manage blog, you can add a simply blog in the theme customization. And then we have logistic integrations available, all the integration channels, USPS, US DHL, and how you can enable it, right? And shipping and delivery options, you can do the settings. You can simply change the address or size and weight of your shipping labels. Return reasons, you can give different return reasons. You can add reason group, arrive too late. These things, you see, poor quality, or you, if you want another one, you can also add it here. And then automation section available. You can create flows by sending emails or different flows, different work lines. And then the notifications, what type of notification you want to send via email. Here in the email settings, you can enable all the things: return request confirmation and all others things, refunded to store discount, refunded to store gift. If you want to enable the notification for your customers, you can enable it from here. And then there is free return service. You can enable it on your cart page, on your order page. When customer is looking for their order, you can simply set it up like this by clicking here. You see, in the cart page there is a free return service. If they select it, unlock free return service, you can also increase the conversion by this, right? And then we have default carrier service available, plan, and integration. So this is how parcel panel works. You can simplify the process of returns for your customers in a very easy way by just using this parcel panel returns app. And the app link is available in the description with 30% off on your first subscription install. Thank you so much. I hope you got everything and you like the tutorial. Thanks again. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more upcoming updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.